How to build wealth while working full-time, 10 rare and profitable ideas. Are you tired of waiting for the weekend to chase your dreams? Do you wish you could turn your 9 to 5 into a stepping stone to financial freedom? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into 10 rare and high-profit business ideas that you can start while keeping your full-time job. These aren't your average side hustles, these are wealth-building machines waiting to change your life. Let's get started. 1. Luxury car rental arbitrage. Potential profit $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Here's the deal. Luxury cars are status symbols, and people will pay big bucks to rent them for special occasions. But what if you don't own a luxury car? That's where arbitrage comes in. Partner with luxury car owners who rarely use their vehicles and list them on rental platforms like Turo or private marketplaces. You keep a percentage of each booking without ever owning the car yourself. It's like Uber, but for luxury lifestyles. Why it works. The demand for luxury experiences is skyrocketing and most car owners don't know how to monetize their vehicles. You become the middleman, creating a win-win scenario. It's a scalable model where you can expand your inventory as demand grows, and with proper management, it can quickly become a passive income stream. Luxury car rentals often come with a hefty daily rate, and with a reliable system in place, you can build a lucrative side business without the upfront costs of buying cars. 2. High-end digital collectibles broker. Potential profit $3,000 to $15,000 per month. NFTs and rare digital assets aren't just for tech geeks anymore. Businesses and collectors are looking for specific digital collectibles, but they don't always know where to find them. As a broker, you'll connect buyers and sellers, and take a cut for facilitating the transaction. Why it works. The digital world is expanding, and so is the market for unique online assets. Plus, you can manage this from your phone in your downtime. The flexibility of brokering digital assets means you can work from anywhere. And the high transaction values in certain niche markets like digital art or rare gaming assets make this a potentially highly profitable side hustle. Platforms like OpenSea or Super Rare make it easy to find rare assets that buyers are seeking. 3. Event decorator for micro weddings. Potential profit $2,500 to $8,000 per event. Micro weddings are the new big trend. Couples want Instagram-worthy decor without breaking the bank on planners. That's where you come in. Offer a boutique decoration service specializing in these intimate ceremonies. From DIY floral arches to themed decor packages, you can cater to the growing demand for personalized, small-scale weddings. Why it works. You can do this on weekends, and with the right suppliers, the margins are incredible. Unlike large-scale weddings, micro-weddings typically focus on quality over quantity, allowing you to offer high-end decor at a fraction of the cost. The personal touch you provide in designing unique and memorable experiences will build word-of-mouth referrals. And with a little marketing, you can establish a strong clientele. 4. Esports coaching for rising gamers. Potential profit $4,000 to $12,000 per month. If you're a skilled gamer or have deep knowledge of popular games like Fortnite or League of Legends, you've got a goldmine waiting to be tapped. Offer one-on-one coaching sessions or create online courses to help aspiring esports players level up their game. Why it works. The esports industry is booming, with millions of players dreaming of going pro. They're willing to pay for expertise that gives them an edge. As a coach, you can offer personalized strategies, tips, and insights that can help players increase their ranking, win tournaments, or simply improve their gameplay. Plus, esports coaching can be done remotely, offering flexibility that fits into a busy work schedule. 5. Customized pet portraits with a twist. Potential profit $2,000 to $7,000 per month. Pet lovers adore anything that celebrates their furry friends. But here's the twist: offer hyper-personalized pet portraits where their animals are depicted as royalty, superheroes, or historical figures. Use AI tools or collaborate with freelance artists to create these unique masterpieces. Why it works? This idea combines the emotional attachment to pets with the novelty factor of custom art. It's irresistible and highly shareable. The key to success here is creativity and offering something people can't find anywhere else. This side hustle can be scaled easily by building an online presence and promoting your work on social media. Plus, once you build a brand, you'll likely have repeat clients as pets grow older and need new portraits. Corporate retreat planner. Potential profit $5,000 to $20,000 per retreat. Companies are investing more in team building and wellness retreats. As a planner, you'll curate unique experiences for corporate teams, from adventure weekends to mindfulness workshops. Partner with venues, caterers, and activity providers to create all-inclusive packages. Why it works? Businesses often have generous budgets for retreats, and if you can deliver an unforgettable experience, you'll get repeat clients. With an increasing focus on employee wellness and morale, corporate retreats are more in demand than ever before. Additionally, you can make substantial profits by offering premium packages that include everything from luxury accommodations to exclusive team-building activities. Subscription mystery boxes for rare goods. Potential profit: $4,000 to $15,000 per month. Think beyond the usual subscription boxes. Curate rare and exclusive items based on niche interests, like vintage gaming memorabilia, artisan spices, or limited edition art prints. Offer monthly or quarterly subscriptions. Why it works: people love surprises, especially when they involve items they're passionate about. This model creates recurring revenue and builds customer loyalty. The exclusivity factor is key. Having a curated selection of rare or limited items makes subscribers feel like they're getting something unique that they can't find elsewhere. This type of business thrives on anticipation, and the high-ticket items in each box can drive up the average subscription price, leading to substantial profits. 8. Weekend real estate photographer. Potential profit: $2,500 to $6,000 per weekend. High-quality property photos can make or break a sale. If you've got an eye for photography, offer your services to real estate agents. With the right equipment and a little practice, you can make a killing shooting houses on weekends. Why it works: realtors need professional photos fast, and they're willing to pay top dollar for quality and reliability. With the real estate market being competitive, high-quality photos are essential for listings to stand out. A photographer specializing in real estate can charge premium rates, especially if you develop a reputation for capturing the essence of a property. This is a high-demand service that fits perfectly into weekend hours. 9. Personalized investment guides. Potential profit: $3,000 to $10,000 per guide. Do you have a knack for finance? Create tailored investment guides for individuals looking to grow their wealth. These can range from beginner-friendly blueprints to advanced strategies for seasoned investors. Market them as premium products with exclusive insights. Why it works: with the right marketing, these guides can become passive income streams while positioning you as an expert. You can offer these guides digitally, making it easy to scale with minimal overhead. Plus, financial literacy is a growing need, and people are increasingly looking for personalized advice that's accessible, easy to understand, and actionable. Create different tiers to appeal to a broad audience, from first-time investors to seasoned wealth builders. 10. Mobile coffee bar for private events. Potential profit: $3,500 to $8,000 per month. Transform a vintage vehicle into a mobile coffee bar and cater to private events like weddings, corporate parties, and festivals. Serve high-end coffee drinks with customizable options and watch the profits roll in. Why it works: specialty coffee is always in demand, and a unique presentation makes it unforgettable. With people becoming more discerning about their coffee experiences, offering a custom mobile coffee service at high-end events is a lucrative and exciting way to engage with customers. This business allows you to tap into the premium event market, and the right setup can turn a one-time event into a recurring business opportunity. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.